Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A02 and A02s. Okay, so what we need for are the buttons. So the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for sure together, maybe for 1 second, and you will have a screenshot. After you can see this bar with the preview, you can edit the picture or share it directly here on this bar with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button together for maybe 1 second. And then if you tap here on the editing part, maybe you are able also to draw something inside here, or maybe if you want, you can crop a part of the screenshot, maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And yeah, after you can share this edited part directly here also with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger and so on, or you can save it directly to your gallery with the arrow here. So go on the arrow, and now the edited part is part also of your gallery. Okay, where to find the screenshots? I set it already at the gallery, and as you can see, I had already some tries here. And what's very nice at the gallery, at the category albums, you have an own folder just for screenshots. Very nice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.